Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and positioning the Yolobox Pro. First, plug in 12V power and HDMI source. You need stable power to avoid interruptions. Once done, insert a correctly formatted SD card and connect Ethernet if you will stream. This ensures reliable recording and lower latency. Make sure firmware is current. Update now if it is not. Firmware fixes key encoder and input issues. These steps get the device ready, so you can configure inputs and streaming settings next. You now configure inputs and the visual layout. Tap each HDMI input, label the source, and preview to verify picture and audio. Resolving issues early saves time. Next, choose a layout, full screen, picture-in-picture, or multi-view, and drag sources into slots while watching transitions. Once layouts are placed, save custom scenes so you can switch instantly during the production. Also set audio gain per channel. Enable audio follow video if you want auto switching, and monitor through headphones to confirm levels. You finish by setting up streaming and recording. Input your RTMP or RTMPS credentials, choose server region, and set bitrate. 6000 kbps is a solid starting point for 1080p 30, then enable local recording to SD simultaneously. Once configured, press stream and record, monitor status icons, and chat/stream health. If the stream degrades, first check Ethernet connection and bitrate use, then inspect CPU/encoder load. Only reboot after validating cables and settings. This quick troubleshooting tip prevents needless reconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.